Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens in-store video for the week of January the 19th to the 25th. We have a lot of great deals. There's a lot of great clearance that's producing register rewards, and I actually tested a lot of it out. If you're out in the store today, just be warned that there are some issues, especially if you're trying to do curbside. Prices are just not adding up. So I would really watch the register like a hawk or like a cat or an owl, and make sure that everything's ringing up for the proper price, because you do not want to overpay, because that's just shopping. It's not extreme couponing. So just be warned, if there are some issues, really pay attention. A special hello to everybody that came over from TikTok. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you could possibly like the video, it really helps me out and the channel. If you could take a second and give the video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Sometimes when things just go your way, I get really excited, and this is one of them. We have a product which is on clearance, and always clearances of your mileage may vary, but what's happening here in Michigan might be the same in Texas, might be the same in northern Florida, but different in Maine. So the easiest way to figure out clearance is actually to go to the store and see what they have, and I would go sooner than later because this is exceptionally hot clearance. This is pretty straightforward. These razors are on clearance for $4 and some change. Grabbing two of them, it's $8.58. You can roll $5 in Walgreens cash, whatever you might have, or pay that out of pocket, and you're going to get back an $8 register reward, making it 58 cents for the two, or 29 cents per razor. And again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay the difference. And I tested it out this morning. I'm like, I have nothing to lose. Unfortunately, we don't have any digital coupons that are attaching. But guess what? Printed. And you can tell by the date at the top. I did it this morning, and it is printing on that specific razor that's on clearance. So I would get to the store and give it a shot. You have to do this deal in store. Deal that we have is with these bar soaps by Dove, and they're the 6 counts that are usually like $11.49. They're 50% off, and that is the price at my store. So I grabbed one of each, and I was hoping and praying that the digital coupon and the register reward would print, and guess what? It worked. I'm just really shocked by this. So you're going to have this guy loaded, which is the 6 off 2. I could not get this to work last week, but then all of a sudden this morning it's working. So grabbing two of these clearance bar soaps, it's $11.58. Subtracting your digital, pay $5.58, get back a $2 register reward, making it $3.58 for the two, or $1.79 for a product on a non-sales week that's almost $12. Fantastic. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Just to show you guys, look what printed. And I could not get this guy to print last week, and I was trying stuff with deodorant and twirling around 10 times at the register. Nothing worked, but then finally it worked. So I was like really excited by this. I also wanted to talk about the men's, which I could not track down. We also have this for the men's, which is the 6 off of 2. For both the men and the women's, if you didn't use them last week. All digital coupons that are manufacturers are of a one-time use. But we have a lot of men's body wash. It would make these free, really, really cheap, if you could find anything at $3.99. So make sure you have your coupons loaded and be on the lookout for these specific ones. This one is called Sage with the green. This one is Skin Defense. So anything at $3.99 is really great. And they have a couple at $4.29, including a ladies one. In the app, this one's different than what the price is and at the store, but who really knows? But this ladies one is also $4.49. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of the sticker, but really great price point any way you look at it. So with the Sally Hansen nail polish for $2.49, unfortunately, this person cleared it at my store 2 weeks ago, so there was nothing left. But if you can track this down, they're $2.49. We have a $2 store coupon. You'd pay 49 cents. And then here's the weird thing. IBOTTA has a rebate for $2 back, which you can do up to 3 times. I was able to load this on Friday, but now I can't see it as a loadable coupon anymore. It's in my folder, though. If you go to your Walgreens folder, it should be there. But who really knows? So if you can line this one up, there's a whole bunch of different Sally Hansen press-on nails and polishes. But this one at $2.49, subtracting your digital coupon, you'd pay 49 cents. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes it free and a $1.51 moneymaker, and you can do this with a limit of up to 3 times. This deal is from last week, but if you didn't do it, you can do it again this week. And it is to grab these Colgates at $4 a pop, $3 register reward when you buy 2. So you'll grab 1 paste and 1 brush priced at $4 each. We have these digital coupons, which is a $2.50 off of 1 for each. So that's $5 off right there. So looking at the math for this one, 2 of these products for $8, subtracting $5 in digitals, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And this is the best kind of dental care stuff when you can get it for free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so now we have these Walgreens food storage bags on a buy one, get 2 for free. The first one is $2.79 on a sales promotion this week. So all 3 are 93 cents per, which is a really good price point. I mean, cheaper than Dollar Tree and the prices that we like to see on this channel because it's really cheap for a pharmacy. We also have the Chips Ahoy that are 2 for $6. We have this store coupon, which is $1 off too. So it's going to make each bag $2.50 each, or 5 for 2. And if you want to stock up, this is a very good price point for cookies. I would definitely stock up this week. Now I'm going to look at a booster deal using this booster, which is the 7 back when you spend 30. If you have a paper one to attach with, even better. We're going to get this toothbrush for 70% off, and it's the Oral-B IO4. So it is the more luxurious one. That's on clearance for $59.99 with the promotion of $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50 on this specific product. So how wonderful is that? Load this coupon, which is a 10 off of 1. If you might have a 20 off of 1, it's obviously bigger savings for you. And with clearance merchandise, it's always your mileage may vary, so hopefully you have this toothbrush. The Oral IO4, $59.99. Have your booster loaded. Subtracting that $10 digital, you're going to pay $49.99 with your debit card plus tax. Get back $17 in Walgreens cash. 10 for spending 50 on Oral-B, and then an extra 7. I did check P&G Good every day in case there might be like a credit card rebate or whatever. Unfortunately, there's nothing right now, but it shakes us out to $32.99 for this toothbrush. So it's like 70% off. And let's not forget, as you're using the booster and the promotion of spend 50 to get back 10 on Oral-B, you can't use any Walgreens cash for the balance. If you might have register rewards from other deals, by all means go for it. But unfortunately, no Walgreens cash for this one. And I know it's a lot out of pocket. Okay, so this last deal again, we're going to use the booster of 7 back when you spend 30. Okay, so for this first deal, I would wait later today or maybe tomorrow. We usually have digital coupons, and I don't see any for any of these products in my coupons folder. So I would grab a different group of paper products and check for those digital coupons as well. So maybe wait on Monday or Tuesday to do this deal. And who doesn't need puffs right now? And then, so that's $21.96. The promotion is to buy 4 of those paper products by P&G, get back a $5 register rewards, and puffs is included. My store didn't have any though. Still might have those digital coupons. I would also throw in 2 of the Colgates for $4 each, $3 register reward when you buy 2, and we have the $2.50 digital coupons, and then grab a very cheap 50-cent filler item as well. Looking at the math for this, 4 of those P&G paper products is $21.96, 2 Colgates for $8, and a miscellaneous product for 50 cents for a grand total of $30.46. Have your booster loaded, 7 back when you spend 30, $5 in digitals melting off. If you check later in the week, hopefully some appear for the P&G paper products. Pay $25.46 with your debit card. Get back $7 in Walgreens cash, $8 in register rewards, 5 for the P&G paper, and then 3 for Colgate. It makes it $10.46 for the 7 products, or $1.49 per product. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using the spend booster of spend 30 to get back the 7. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.